What is CMHC, who needs it, and why? And today I'll be giving you an example and other things such as the taxes on CMHC and when it's due. Welcome to my channel. My name is Susan, where I empower you, the buyer, with knowledge and information to make sure that you know how to buy a home stress-free with clarity. And so today on my channel, I'll be talking about CMHC and what it is and how much it could cost you. So what is CMHC? It's a mortgage default insurance. This CMHC is actually a government sector where it was created to help homeowners, first-time home buyers and homeowners to own property in Canada. So what it is a government sector where it helps homeowners to buy their home. So usually banks prefer people with 20% or more to purchase a home because it's less risk for them. Now, if you have 20% or less, most likely the bank would not want to lend you money. And so the government was like, well, this isn't going to work for, the citizen of Canada. What is there to do in order to help the people of Canada to own a home? So the government made a sector called the CMHC, and it's a default mortgage insurance that help people to purchase a home with under 20% down. So just keep in mind, this mortgage insurance protects the lender if you were in default and you can't pay the bank. So the bank sees it as this: oh, so you don't have 20% down? That's fine. If you get CMHC and if you can't pay your mortgage, the government will come in and help and protect the bank so the bank doesn't lose out. And so that way they will be willing to lend you the money. So if anybody has a 20% or less down, then you would have to purchase CMHC. Now, what it looks like is this. If you were to buy a house for $600,000 and you had only 10% down, your CMHC amount would be $16,950. Now that amount gets added to your mortgage loan, right? You don't pay that up front, it gets added into your mortgage amount. What you do pay up front is the tax portion of that $16,950, which then comes out to $1,939. Now that $1,939 is actually due on the day of closing, so that becomes a part of your closing costs. So that's how it would look like if you were to purchase a home for $600,000 with 10% down. Your CMHC amount, again, is $16,950, which gets added to the loan, and the tax portion of that $16,950 is $1,339. Now, I hope that gives you a little bit of clarity on what CMHC is, how much you'll be paying for it, and also the tax portion of the CMHC. If you have any further questions, just let me know, comment below, message me or call me, email me, whichever way you like to contact me. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much for joining with me today on this video about mortgage default insurance. Again, I hope this helps you with your home buying experience to give you some clarity, some knowledge so that you're able to buy a home stress-free. I hope if you want more information about other things about buying a home, feel free to click on the videos either here or here. Somewhere along this video here should have some other places to look for more information, and subscribe.